Whole heap of talk I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chase I bring the latest now Wagwan entertainment and dancehall news. And me a reminder to click the subscribe icon, then click the bell icon and for leave a like and a comment on the vlog. Now viewers and subscribers, Tyga, multi-platinum recording artist. Same is a big fan of not just dancehall but also a Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. And it not surprise me, because from you listen dancehall music, tell the truth, no man, you must know Vybz Kartel. Unless, yeah, you only listen a certain type of dancehall music, unless you just say you only listen 70s dancehall or 80s dancehall. But from you listen to the 2000 dancehall, yeah, you listen to Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. And him say that was definitely a big motivator when him decide to do the track with Rvssian, because him say him know Rvssian produced a whole heap of Vybz Kartel tracks in the early stages of Rvssian musical career, and producing career. And him said that was, a big reason when Rvssian put the idea to him, say, we're going to do a track with a Jamaican artist, a female Jamaican artist, and him tell her Rvssian, and him say, alright, him look into who Rvssian was, and realize she do a whole heap of good music, and she based in a Jamaica. Him same point to the fact, say, people never really gravitate to the track where him did do the music video for in a Jamaica, and him did a Sherlock, one of one. Him say him feel like the reason was because him that sing on that track and people wanted him to do more of the things them know him for. You know what I mean? Them wanted him to make some club banger type music like Rock City. I don't know if you know that Rock City. I don't know if you know it. But it was definitely a big song in the club, you know what I mean? And him say more people did more say him to do tracks like those. But him say at the same time that song still go gold certified. And him say one of the places that song was streamed the most was London, and then after that Canada. And him say him attributed to nothing more than the fact say Jamaican and dancehall culture is very big in England and Canada, viewers and subscribers. And North American rapper I point out the fact say dancehall music is very, him never said kinda big in, him never says it's a thing where people into. Him said dancehall music and Jamaican culture is very big in England and Canada. And him say him feel like that is why the song was streamed so much in those locations. Yeah, him say the fact say him do the music video Jamaica and the whole energy of the beat and the vibe. Him say yeah, the Caribbean supporters really forward out and support that track there. That's how him say viewers at a recent Billboard interview. Yeah, and him say that was definitely a motivator when he do the track with Rvssian. Him say definitely say Rvssian put out a whole heap of good music. You know what I mean? Him like our vibe, him like our energy, and definitely I say alright. You know what I mean? And when him hear the track, he must say the track, the tempo, the vibe of the beat play right into theme LA type of sound, as you know, that is where the rapper is from. Him said play right into theme type of sound, and him definitely I say alright, this is gonna work. And as you know, for those who don't, after that, he do a track with Rvssian again, and I think J Balvin. Yeah, because Rvssian a produce a whole heap of Bill type, Latin type music. If you don't know him, I mix it with the dancehall reggaeton sound, because that's how most people even know it as. You know what I mean? The reggaeton sound. And as the name says, reggaeton, I don't have to go too deep like that dancehall and reggae. It's a subset of dancehall and reggaeton. I don't need to go no more in it. Now, viewers and subscribers, as I say, Vybz Kartel was definitely influence Tyga deciding to say alright, we are do that track here with Rvssian and Rvssian. And this is not my interpretation. As you see on the screen, these are statements made by Tyga, viewers and subscribers. And it shouldn't surprise you. It shouldn't surprise you. Because Vybz Kartel, as I said before, definitely a prominent figure. As I'm saying on my own track, Vybz Kartel, very popular, she said. Yeah, very, very popular. Nobody can go around that. And you know what I mean, if you're a North American artist based over there, even though, as I'm telling you, say, we would consider him as a third generation, yeah, they became a four parents who are not Jamaicans. It's a good look. Vybz Kartel definitely had a worldwide appeal of viewers and subscribers. And the microscope is on dancehall music right now, if you never know. If you never know what go on right now, it's a dancehall music, Bale funk, Afrobeat, them have these 3 genres of music, and just my interpretation, it is a Billboard record. Not the records, Billboard.com. Them I say right now, these 3 genres of music are definitely the genres of music for this decade. Them say all other music where you hear, whether it be rap, hip hop, pop, are all inspired in some form or fashion from Afrobeat, dancehall music, and Bale funk, because reggae already so dominant in the force out there. Yo, big up to all reggae musicians, and the man they make them mark in the world, and they say Bob Marley. Yo, big up Bob Marley and all them mute them. You feel like a joke thing? Right now you can lock and go anywhere in the world and people show you honors. Big up Bob Marley and all the reggae artists and everybody who do reggae music. I say Coffee as a young star, a forward out there. And me have to say big up yourself, girl. I do reggae music, and I do music that sound very authentic at that. You know what I mean? Sound very inspirational. Me have to say big her up. I mean big up all reggae entertainers. But reggae already stamp it mark on world music viewers and subscribers. Stamp, when I say stamp, you can go in the world and ask about reggae and people know what reggae is. Yeah? Same thing with dancehall too, but some people we more know reggae and reggae superstars than all them readily know all the dancehall superstars. Some people might know, you know, the Vybz Kartel, Spice, you know what I mean? People know the Bounty, the Beanie, you know what I mean? People definitely know the Lady Star, you know what I mean? Of course people are going to know Lady Star. And, you know what I mean? People remember the kings like Yellowman and all, you know, and all the big names from Foundation days are really met in the Brigadier Jerry, them, all them, some of them they don't even know. But all them Foundation act there, you have people aware of them and acknowledge them, you know, them stardom as well. But people, you have some people still readily more identify with reggae superstars. So, them say, as of this decade, and me that say, you can see too, with the late 018 and early 019 music where you see her come out. Me hear even Taylor Swift. Recently, me watch a music video, and me hear the flow. And from me hear the flow, me I say, this sounds a dancehall. Then me hear she say island vibe, island breeze. And me I say, but of course. Because I could have definitely hear the island talk or the island vibe in the line that she say. That song is probably written by a different writer, but I'm going to try to show you. Afrobeat, Bale funk, and dancehall music. And as I'm going to tell you, Bale funk are the same reggaeton sound. Are the same Latin music. Well, not Latin music as in this case of salsa, but you know the reggaeton vibes, Daddy Yankee, you know what I mean? Boom tam tam tam, no must don't already there. Yeah. So are the same type of energy viewers and subscribers. As I'm gonna tell you, Rvssian I work extensively with these artists. And what the artists them says, them know Rvssian from the fact say, he work with Vybz Kartel. Some people point to that fact, say, the fact that your Rvssian so prominent because in the early stages of his career, he never worked with Vybz Kartel. He put out very good rhythm to interviewers and subscribers. As I'm going to tell you, when you get the boss, it's not about who help you reach on the top or, you know, put you out there so people know who you are. It's what you do with the notoriety. So, of course, he put out good rhythm. You know what I mean? He makes some big rhythm. Remember Jacob P, R.I.P. Mama. You know what I mean? She depends on some different type of rhythm. Yeah, she depends on some different type of rhythm. Overseas market, they love it. Overseas market, they love it. And right after that, too, Rvssian really get the contract with Universal. You know what I mean? So people didn't really pay attention to what go on in the dancehall industry and the type of music where they forward out at dancehall viewers and subscribers. And Vybz Kartel definitely at the forefront of that. I mean, nobody trick you. I mean, nobody telling no foolishness. Vybz Kartel definitely at the forefront of that viewers and subscribers. The dancehall evolution, we could have said, are basically Vybz Kartel catalog go on. Because we can hear it in a Vybz Kartel song. The evolution. And we see that take place in a dancehall music. These crap of dancehall artists we have found out, them have a type of fusion sound. From the Javelin to Squash to Chronicle Law to even Daddy One. Crocodile them. All of the artists them have a kind of, you know, just sound just like dancehall. It sound infused, it sound fresh. You know what I mean? It sound new. And people love that. So, big up all the artists them who put in the work, viewers and subscribers. Tyga said, Vybz Kartel was definitely a big influence when he met the track with Shensia and Rvssian. Him saying he's a big fan of Vybz Kartel music, viewers and subscribers. It shouldn't surprise you, but if it do, drop in the comment section and tell me why it surprised you. I mean, yeah, make me know why it's surprised. Leave a like on the vlog too. When I like what you are here, but share as well. As I'm telling you before, continue the reason in the comment section. So drop in the comment and we can get to talk this. So remember now, click the subscribe icon. Then click the bell icon. And if you want to know why me I tell you to do this. It's if you want to know what going on dance and entertainment news. This is how it's going to happen. This is the notification. So just click the bell and then click the subscribe icon and click the bell. Until the reason again, live, love and prosper and I'm out.